Alright guys, welcome back. For the quickest video ever, got another package in the mail. Gonna unbox it super fast. But this, let me just open it up. So as you can see, we got the Klein sticker packaging tape. And I ordered these from, or I redeemed my Klein Tradesman points, which is basically a free website from Klein. Basically do things, you get free points, and then you get free tools or whatever you cash it out on. So I used 400 points to get this. So I got the 4-piece cushion grip screwdriver set. So it's your normal black, your black handle screwdrivers. So basically like all these ones behind me. So you have your big beater screwdriver right here, which is a square shank, 7-inch. Then you have a Phillips number 2. Well, I thought I did. I guess maybe not. Anyways, let's just open it up because nobody got time for this. So right here on the package it says Phillips number 2, 3/16 slotted, 1/4 inch slotted, and 5/16 slotted. So on the top I was expecting to be a number 2, but I guess I forget they're number 4 or something like that. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it up because I got plans for these. I was gonna hang it on the wall for a second, but I don't got time for that. So very carefully I'm gonna open this up without cutting the handles on the screwdrivers. Alright, so this is the screwdriver that I've always kind of wanted, but I've never owned. It's a square shank. It is a slotted, and it's the 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch square shank slotted. Lots of words. So that's a 604 right there. I believe I already have this one right here, which is a 601/6, and that is the 3/16 cabinet screwdriver, I believe. And then the next one is the 603/4, which is just your typical number 2 Phillips right here. So I have plans to deconstruct this. I've seen it done. One of my friends did a video tutorial, so I'm going to try to follow that. Basically, I need a vise, and I don't have a vise, so I'll have to go to my parents' house to do this. Basically, I'm going to rebuild the screwdriver using this shank right here. You'll probably already take a guess on what that one is. And then lastly, you have your 606, which is my favorite type of beater screwdriver, the square shank, 7-inch, which is one of them that I have at work, I believe. So, yeah, those are the screwdrivers. Love it. Can't wait to use them. Well, these, I'm probably just going to leave those 3 at home, and I'm going to try to, like I said, rebuild this screwdriver. But anyways, super excited. Free screwdrivers, always a plus. Things you don't have to pay for is my favorite. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick, short little video. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one for tomorrow for some more tools. God bless. Peace.